Building a website for your horse riding school shouldn't be complicated and it shouldn't be too expensive either. That's why today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a simple and affordable website for your horse riding school in literally just 5 minutes. Let's jump in. If you've randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't even heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our channel. Mighty Sites is an easy to use website generator for small businesses. It was designed to make creating websites fast and simple. Absolutely no coding is required. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started with that 7-day free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. Let's head to the top and search for our market, horse riding school. There it is over there. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our horse riding school so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, city and state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Now, once you click that continue button, Mighty Sites will instantly generate a simple website for your business with the information you've just put in and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new websites in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you how easy it is to make any changes to your brand new website. The great thing about Mighty Sites, which makes us a little bit different from other website builders, is we've pre-written all the content for you specific to a horse riding school and pre-selected images as well specific to that market too. It doesn't matter which market you select on the Mighty Sites platform or website template out of the hundreds. It will literally pre-write content for you and pre-select images as well. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your local business. To make any changes, of course, you don't need to know any coding. We already went over that. You don't need to be super tech savvy either. This is literally simple enough to launch and manage from your smartphone. So you don't need to ask anyone to help you either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let's click on the first section at the top. Let me show you around. Over here, I'm going to pop in a few basic details about my business, including my email address, and check off that box to display my email address for my customers' convenience. Phone numbers, click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Over here, you can put in the social media profiles your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your new website. If you've got a business logo, make your way over to the next section to upload it. You can edit your logo by clicking on the pencil icon. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize it. You can make your logo bigger and smaller. To change the colors, just click on that paint icon, go through the various color palettes. There are so many to choose from. Now, for each section you'd like to change it up a bit, maybe change those buttons or the text, the contents, just click on that handy button. Over here, you have the option to upload your own images or search through the photo library. Literally got hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. Very professional looking. They don't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone. You also connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, pull in those photos. Underneath update action, you can change the text on those call to action buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file. Great way maybe to put in your pricing points or packages for your horse riding lessons. In the last section, we have a lead generation form overview. Your customers can easily reach out to you with their queries. Now, if you've already purchased a domain for your business, that was a very smart move because having a custom domain for your business website makes it look more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can connect it by clicking on that button at the bottom. Mighty Sites makes use of entry, which makes connecting your domain super simple. If you don't have a domain yet for your website, you just need to click on that button, I want a new domain, to purchase one via the Mighty Sites platform. I really hope the short overview video was helpful in building a simple website for your horse riding school. Really wishing you and your business Mighty success. If you have any questions about Mighty Sites, do pop them down below. I'd be happy to answer them. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. We have loads of valuable information on marketing your small business. All the best.